Welcome back everybody. So guys, for today class, I just opened the website named EMMET.io. So what we are about to learn the EMMET. And what is the EMMET? EMMET is actually the essential toolkit for web developers. Wow, the essential kit, and we didn't learn that. That means this is something really important. EMMET is a plugin from any popular text editor which greatly improves HTML and CSS workflow. Do you want to watch the demo? Yeah. If I just click there, now you can see that type CSS like abbreviation, and now people gonna type that, not me. It's the demo, and now you can see that. Just press enter or something like expand abbreviation. We can add any kind of command for that. And now you can see that it's still working. And here you can see that the complete navigation including the UL and the LI. That means by adding some line of codes, it done. This is actually the image. It actually works automatically. You just need to put some short codes and actually the short forms of any little, and it just made the abbreviation, expands the abbreviation basically. The quick comment etc, a lot of things there. So how it really works, if I just go, I just need to download that first. So I'm just going to download that. And now for which version do you want to download the image? I just want to download that for the Notepad++. But if you have another one, you can find that this one is a Notepad++. If you have Sublime, you can download the Sublime. This is not actually the Sublime, this is actually the image for the Sublime. That is cool. Or the Atom and whatever. I just need to install, interestingly, I just need to install the Notepad++ again. Just why? Because for teaching you Notepad++ download. Okay, I wish I got the Notepad. Yeah, I got the Notepad. I just clicked there, and now I'm just gonna download the version, latest version of the Notepad. So it's gonna be downloading. It's already in my folder, by the way. So what happened? Why I deleted that? Because I just want to install. I just want to teach you to install the image, and I already has the image in my Notepad. So I thought I should teach you from the starting. So I'm just installing the image. Yeah, it's done. Agree. Next. Yes, everything fine. It needs to be installed, and now it got that. Run that. Now right click on it, and now pin this program to the taskbar. Now, do you want to know what is the image? No, I just don't want to save that. Just close that. Okay, close that one too. Now if I just go to the plugin, there are no plugin, just like the npb export, export to html, copy rdf, copy html, whatever, the plugin manager. If I just go to the plugin manager, then you can find downloading plugin list. Oh, it's actually not installed, not actually downloaded completely. It's in a downloading status of the plugins list actually. So just go down and you will find the image here. Okay, now what I'm just going to teach you, you just don't need to go there and to the download option of the image IO and click there. Okay, you have the option here too, or if I just click here, then now there are two things. When I just click there, see again, if I just click here in the Notepad++, if I just click to the Sublime text, you can see that there are the options how to install. We can just go to the package control, and then we can find the image plugin inside the Sublime. If I just go to the for the Notepad++, now you can see that there are the plugin too. You can download these files, and you just need to paste that to the directory of the Notepad++. And another option is EMMET for the Notepad++. EMMET is a web developer toolkit that can greatly improve your HTML and CSS workflow. Write code, HTML code like with CSS like abbreviations, use different actions to quickly select and modify HTML and CSS code, and more. Now, installation. There are two options. The manual installation, I'm just going to talk about the manual first. Install Python script plugin available in the plugin manager. Download image npp. I can download the complete image from there and unpack into the directory. How easy it is. And now start Notepad++. You should see the plugins EMMET in a menu item. Means when you just go there inside the plugin, you will see the EMMET option, but it's not there. Well, whenever you just install or download any item for the plugin, any plugin, so you have to close the Notepad++ and open it again. So by the way, the plugin manager, there are two options: the manual installation and the plugin manager. This plugin is available via plugin manager. Use plugin manager, show plugin manager, menu action, and find and install EMMET plugin. Now, I just want to clear you two things: that for installing the EMMET, you just need two things: the Python script plugin too, and the EMMET. So if I just go there, and if I just click on the plugin, so there isn't any plugin, just go to the plugin manager and show plugin manager. Now you will find here the image. Take out this, install it. Now it's automatically saying that the following plugin needs to be installed to support your selection. The Python script means if you just want to install the image, then the Python script will be installed automatically. They will be installed automatically. I have no problem. Just click on OK. We actually need that, but it has not been possible to validate the integrity of the image nppddll needed to install. You want to copy this file anyway. Yeah, okay. And it's just completing the Python script too. It's downloading. Come on, let me on. I'll do other things then. It's about to be completed. The overall status is going on. It's actually downloading, that's why it's taking a little time. Oh, okay. Okay, close that. And I'm just going to close that and restart that back. Now plugin manager, I got the image here, you can see that, but it won't work until we have the Python script. So again, go there and I'm just gonna find out the Python. So where is the Python? Here is the Python. The Python script is there. Okay, simply just click here and just click on install, and now it's downloading and it's about to be completed in some minutes, some seconds actually. So the download is about to be completed and it's done. The overall status, it's going on. Okay. Oh, it's still it needs, you can see that some installation steps it still needs to be downloaded to be completed. Notepad++ needs to be restarted in order to complete these steps. If you restart later, you will be prompted again. Would you like to restart now? Yes, I want. Okay, restart the plugin and the notepad. And now if I just go to the plugin, now the EMMET and the Python script. Okay, that's cool. So do we get the plugin of the EMMET? Do we get the EMMET? If I just go there, and first of all, there is another issue. You can see that the shortcut for the expand abbreviation is actually Control Alt and Enter. I just want to change it. I just want to change it to the keyword I didn't use yet. So I'm just going to the settings, to the preference, and now, oh, sorry about that. Let's close that and the settings and a shortcut mapper actually. Okay, now let's just go to the plugin. By the way, you can see that all the commands, you can even change the commands, all of the commands according to your need. For example, the Control Alt Shift Spacebar, Control Alt Enter. You can see that to insert a blank line above the current, we use the Control Alt and the Enter button. And for the other option, Control Alt Shift and Enter. So when I just go to the plugin command, all the plugin commands will be there. The run commands, the macros, the main menu commands. Now the plugin commands expand where abbreviation is actually has the same shortcut at it have. If I just go down, and where is that option now? Insert blank line above the current, Control Alt and Enter. I just don't want that. That's why I'm here, and I'm just double clicking on it now. What do you want and what the name it should be? Expand abbreviation, that's cool. I don't want to insert the control, the other, and I just simply want to do, what do you want? Number, the letters, the numpads, or whatever you want like them. I'm just choosing the tab. Interestingly, mostly people choose these tabs. Just why? Because no one uses tab for any other option, just for adding a tab. Just click on OK, and now it's the tab actually. Close that. Now, if I just press the exclamatory sign of I and a tab, unknown exception, click on OK, and now Python script plugin did not accept the script. Now, I just want to clear you the situation, what is happening here. First of all, what is this? The exclamatory sign. I'm just gonna go to the EMMET, and now I just need to go back, and there is the EMMET. Go a little back more and just go to the documentation, to the syntax of the EMMET. I'm just going to the syntax, and now this is the EMMET way. If you just type the div, the less than, the greater than sign, then ul, then greater than, then li, then you can see that the div will be the main, the li will be, the ul will be the child of the div, and then for making the child, you can see that for making the child we use this sign, the greater than sign, and then the li will be child. Then when we just type this simple line of few codes, few words, a few characters actually, then it will produce the line, multiple lines. Now, for making siblings, like you can see that the div p and the black codes are siblings. We just need to use the plus sign. The climb is the this sign to add the climb, and you can see that here the div, this div and this div are the siblings because they has the plus sign. So this div and this div are the siblings. But when we just done this div, then inside this div, because this option is actually the child, so this sibling, you can see that is actually inside the p because it's a p, so it's inside that div, and then another child which is a span. We got this span. Then the emphasize is emphasize text is actually not the child of the span, but it's a sibling. So now this is a span and this is a em, so both are the siblings. How easy it is. So in the same way, if you just simply put the exclamatory sign, it should create a beautiful thing, the complete structure of the of the website, or basically the HTML, the basic structure one, like the hey tag, the title tag, the body tag, the HTML tag, whatever. But now when I just put it this sign, so what it shows me when I just go to the plugins, when I just go to the expand abbreviation, it does nothing. And a previous one, what it does, it shows us the unknown exception. If I just close that and just click that on back and just remove that, and now first of all we just need to run this command, the emit and expand abbreviation. I can press the tab 2 to just expand the abbreviation. What the meaning of the expand abbreviation? Just expanding the abbreviation. This sign, the exclamatory sign, means we are about to creating a complete structure of the HTML. So to expand its abbreviation, we just need to click on expand abbreviation, and we are getting the unknown exception. Just why? Because this will happen to you every time you try to just install or download the plugin from the plugin manager. The EMMET plugin is actually complete, but the issue with the Python script, when we just install or download the Python script from the show plugin manager and from this way, so it won't work until we just go to the browser and just go there or any website and paste the link I'm just typing. Now focus on the link. The link is really simple. The sounds4.net projects n triple p n double p Python script slash files slash Python space script slash the 0.9.0 9.2.0. Very easy is the URL is. So now we have the Python script. What is I'm doing, basically the problem is that here when we just downloaded the Python script from the plugin manager, so it's not working perfectly, and it happens whenever you try to do that, because for the Python script we have to download this manually and we have to pick that and paste in a folder or it's somewhere. So now there are two options: the Python main script, the Python minimum, the Python full. We just need the Python full, and the Python min script is actually 7z and zip, and the full is also. So we just need to click on that one, and now we're getting about downloading of npp Python script will start in 1 second, and now 0. It's about to be starting, and now it's done. So now where we have the file of the Python script, if I just go to the folder, so there is a folder, you can see that the Python script, I just made the folder on a desktop named EMMET. So now in a desktop, the Python script full, just simply extract all the files of the Python just here, and now everything is there inside this folder. It's actually just extracting. And now what the next step we just need to do, just need to pick everything from inside this folder and just need to go to the Notepad++, and I'm going there. Just simply go inside and just copy both things. Simply copy, and I'm just going to the folder, and it's there inside the, where is the program files, x86. I'm going inside, and now where is the Notepad++? I got the Notepad++ installed here. Go inside and simply paste both files. First of all, you're about to pasting the Python 27, which is already there, but you have to paste the new one, which you are just downloaded from the main folder. Replace the file in a destination. Yes, replace that. And now, yes, do that. Yes. For some reason, it's not completing. I just need to close that. I'm just going back to there. The Python has been completed. The Python 27 Dell DLL. I'm just going inside the plugin and I just need to copy all them. I need to go to the Notepad++ and here is the plugins folder. So what more we just need to do? Go inside the plugins and simply paste the files. Now it's about to be replacing. Yeah, replace all the files in a destination. Yeah, do this for all and it's about to be completed. Okay, we've done. Okay, again, open, try again. Try again. Okay, close that, skip. We just need to close that, the Notepad++, and now just repaste that, all the things. Everything will be fine now. Just replace all that. We was just using the Notepad++. That's why we was getting that error. And now we're not getting any error, and everything has been updated. So reopen the Notepad++, which is necessary to do. And now I'm deleting that. Now, if I just type the exclamatory sign, now we just need to go to the plugin and just click on EMMET and now click on expand abbreviation. Wow, we got the complete things by just pressing the button of this expand abbreviation. Okay, I'm just deleting that. I'm just putting the I again, and if I just press the tab, you can see that all the things there. Okay, by just pressing the exclamatory sign, we got the things. And I'm just pressing the tab button. Why I'm pressing the tab? Because exactly the tab can run this command, the expand abbreviation, because the shortcut for that is actually the tab. So guys, you know all these things about the EMMET for now. We are gonna talk about a little more in the next class. Stay tuned and goodbye.